Go, go.
Oh, they come out.
Go, go, go.
Hey, this chat is crazy.
Reloading.
On the left.
Ivy left.
One close to me at A. One's right here.
Alright. Gotta push to B. Make noise vent, maybe go.
No, it's a shit on me.
Scanning ahead.
Right is on me.
Jet was on A with deep.
Shot down.
1 HP, Brock.
Right here.
90
Both
vibes.
bridge.
Enemy down.
For sure.
This guy's sending like a whole wolf pack on there.
I'm out of here. Drop in a smoke.
Revealing area.
Is this guy crazy? This guy on the eco round, holy
I'm
shit.
back, I'm back. I'm going B.
I'm getting the bomb down, bro.
Yep, yep, yep.
Got that shit
Yeah,
down like a
I'm just
beast.
chilling, bro.
I think they flank. Give me a go.
I kind of need you right now. Come back to me.
I mean, normally I'd get on my phone.
Oh, I had a frenzy. Could have made you fool me.
Gotta go.
Jet might be close.
I'm a drone.
Deploying drone.
Jet A, man.
Cutting their vision.
Scanning ahead.
Give me the side smoke. Oh, and the
Found
fucking
them.
block.
Do you have him?
Here.
Refreshing.
Blue has burn a fly.
Walking up.
Yeah, over heals it.
One
Nice race coming.
more.
Probably flank.
Shit,
Care
man.
flank.
Flank, flank.
40.
Chill, chill, I'm really.
I'm low, I'm low, I'm low.
Alright.
Resmoke, resmoke, just resmoke.
Shot down.
So
Dash,
Right side, right side
cross,
dash, right side dash, right side dash, right side dash. Looking left now.
Close one.
oh shit, fuck. Sorry, Clove.
It's okay.
I'll try and get you again.
Scanning ahead.
Cutting their vision.
Drop in a smoke.
Shot me to the smoke. 105 clove. Probably over here.
She heal, she heal, she heal.
Taken out.
Fade is
My
at B.
ult is ready.
Nice, that was it.
I'm out
I'm
of
gonna
here.
drone this.
Someone's on your
Yeah, I
left.
wanna get this gun, I wanna get
Break that? Yeah, I'll drone.
Take flight.
This Clove is
Going to this
crazy.
one.
1 HP and keeps going. What a god.
Go, go, go.
I'm in B.
We should walk B.
Fade with stairs.
Our spike carrier is dead.
Heaven, 2 on me. Alright, peep on me. 80 on west.
Bro.
What is it called?
You? No, I'm not like I'm gonna flash. But
Got paid thing, I think would be good. It wouldn't be expensive. I do like, I don't even know how much it would be.
I'm walled off.
Starting,
Spike revealing
Fuck.
area.
He killed me by accident.
I have the spike.
Dude, fuck the clash.
Run us
78 right
upstairs. Drop rock. Dude. Let me buy slash first then before you guys make any noise, please.
Go, go, go.
Deploying
now.
drone.
Oh my god.
Enemy mark.
wow. Oh,
Scanning ahead. I have the spike.
Jets close A main or something? I don't know. Yeah, close A main.
Neutralize.
2. 1A, 2B. Let me flash. Just walk up with my flash. Please walk up with my flash.
Cutting their
They
vision.
broke it.
Gotta go.
Okay, or just throw fade. Kill this guy. Fade's here as well.
Don't give me that bucket, bro.
There they are.
Fuck, still in corner.
Our spike carrier.
Bro, why are we Reyna?
Like I never left.
Yeah, right.
Just walk up A. Please just walk up A. Let me Vice Flash even if it breaks. Don't Reyna. Like, they're gonna instant smoke off of it.
I'm waiting for drone.
Yeah, 1 sec.
Fade cleared A.
Shot cloak.
Deploying drone.
Close mid, I saw him.
Probably, I think close on site or there's someone on site.
No, close mid.
Someone's on site. I think
Wall's
it's
up.
Vice.
I'm walled up.
Revealing area.
Is this ice smoke maybe?
Could be.
I am the hunter.
Yo, honestly, if you can come back A, that'd be crazy. Never mind. I'll ult back. I can ult back.
I whiffed, bro. All over his site. Close is gonna die.
I can flash. Call it.
On bomb. They're on.
Just
Two
whiffing,
seven.
bro. The rush. Nice. There's no freaks on our team, so we can win this shit, bro.
I'm out of here. My blind is
Revealing area.
Face your fear.
I'll ult. Wait.
Yep.
Come. You can be in the back right corner. Let's go. Those smokes.
Bridge.
I was anything.
I got
Spike planted.
One heaven, wow.
I'm blind.
Right here. Scanning ahead.
98, 98.
Nice shot.
Nice.
Gun here.
They just all win spawn.
Gun here.
Like these rated players
I'll
are
flash close,
they're
don't worry.
mechanically like a
Yeah,
lot of
you're doing
every rated
great,
player is pretty much there mechanically, but there's a
Close.
lot more team play that goes into it.
On top of the box.
This.
I have the spike.
I broke vines.
Revealing area.
Next site.
There.
He's in front.
Silence.
One rotate through
Heaven.
mid. Stairs.
Pop spike.
Oh, the crosshair looks different because it's stretched, but it goes
Both. Oh my god, I went for the chance. I'm
it goes good with my res.
Dash to the cross.
Dirt.
Revealing area. There they are.
Reloading.
Is Reyna's ever where we
Out of
are?
charges.
Thank you. Good pick.
We should try to go B. There's two
Go back
headed.
A. Okay, just go back A. I'm gonna keep making noise at B. Just go back A. Trust.
There's Reyna and Fade here.
Dropping smokes.
They just cleared mid. I'll call the smokes
Gotta
next
go.
time, Clove.
Flash.
I have the spike.
I'm balled, bro. Good luck.
No, 120.
Down. Scanning ahead.
Okay.
All good.
Okay, B.
Why do we have 3 on a Vice?
You take it. I got you too.
I can dirt.
Vice 1
I hit
HP. Yeah, I had him
Scanning
too.
ahead.
Reloading.
Cutting their vision.
He ran away T-spawn.
Yo,
Shot
dink.
down.
Vice 1 HP. He's going window.
I think the Odin's ammo wise could get nerfed, but about other than that, no. I'm gonna die when they come out.
There.
Revealing area.
Left side. Of
I got
course,
him.
one digs me.
I got reload. I got reload.
On right side.
Yeah, just show. Guardian backside. Reyna.
Be at rest.
Yeah, the guy that one digged you had full shield. I hit him once and then I had to get him again.
Shock dart.
Couple, yeah.
Scanning ahead. Found them.
So Sova, Vice right now.
Okay, that was fucked. A lot of
Yeah, I'm
3
getting
3
rid
3
of
at
flash.
least.
Jet lurking mid. Bro, the Jet's lurking.
Deploying drone.
They're gonna
They
be
might
now.
leave. They're gonna leave.
No,
Yeah,
it's bomb.
bomb.
Fight it. What the fuck is that idiot doing?
One more baiting. Close right. He's alone. He's alone.
Spike spotted.
Kill him by himself, kill him. We have stun, kill him.
It's 2 now, I think.
Still inside.
Unknown.
Lurking mid. Oh my god.
Yeah, the Odin.
It worked out.
It isn't as good as it looks, bro. I'm telling you guys.
Revealing area.
By side B.
It's
One
not as
window.
easy, I mean.
My ult is ready.
One drop reds.
Wow, 140 on the close.
Okay.
Shot it. Enemy mid.
Enemy down.
Nice window. I got real.
One mid. Why are they double lurking mid, bro? This game
I
makes
see
no
him.
sense right now.
Can you watch my window? Dropped. How the fuck did he?
Wasn't dead.
Killed the rain after reload.
Let's try it.
Yeah, I killed the rain and I had to reload, so I wasn't holding it.
I'm ult if there.
Revealing area.
Smoke A,
Damn,
smoke.
I might be too late, am I? Alright, fuck it, I'm doing it regardless. Clove hit.
Maybe a jet lurk mid care.
Take flight.
That's bomb, I gotta reload.
Bomb again, yep. We should fight it. Nothing. Behind the thing on the right. On the right side.
Shock dart.
Guys, one heaven.
Oh my god, that's you. What the fuck?
I'm out of here.
You a bitch for that. You a bitch for that.
Looks like B, guys. Shit, it could be walking. I'm gonna dirt.
Scanning ahead.
Yeah, one up close, right now. I'm droning.
Face your fear.
Out.
Mid.
That's so dumb.
Hey.
Good hit.
Front set.
Deficient.
I'm staying alive at Vice Salt. Wait, Garrett's fight with Vice Salt.
Oh shit, 110 on the jet mid.
No Vice Salt now.
Bring me the arsenal. Adapt or die.
On the side. One man.
110 jet.
I don't think anything else is set. It's just
That
one man.
No, she's.
Yeah, I can
One
smoke
jet.
the bomb.
Oh my god, bro, he's still lurking as jet. Hit 40 HP on that guy, right?
Drop in a smoke.
Not sure.
Taken out.
You have
Pretty close,
stun,
pretty
you have
close.
stun.
Gotta go.
We all
Still
left.
fading, I think.
Toss.
Stun and stick.
Nice.
Ooh, nice.
Could have done anything else besides that and it would have worked, but it would still worked.
Revealing area.
You
No
smoke
one
up my
A.
up.
I think
Smoke
carry B,
B.
guys,
It's B,
carry
it's
B.
B, it's B.
One
That's
A
the
mid.
lurker.
Two A mid,
Ow,
two A
ow,
mid.
ow, I'm 20 health. I'm flashing.
Gotcha fun.
Right A man. Let's see if
What
the spot
the
works,
fuck?
guys.
Insane play.
One A mid. Can you pop Thorn soon? Never mind, I got spam. Not out, not
Like
out.
20 health.
Almost out.
Shock dart. Revealing area.
Two A mid. I think there's gonna be more.
Dogging B. One window, 2B.
Deploying drone.
They smoked.
Alright, let me guess. This rain is hiding from my drone. He's gonna rewalk. Let's see if it happens. Alright, he's not here.
They didn't trigger wall. Leave.
97 jet. Yeah, I can smoke A heaven.
No, I wasn't in range of my dismiss. 2 mid. Clove and Vice and Fit. I think they're coming to you, so.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, definitely.
Alright, he's in a stream. That's fucked. He's out. How much like? Oh my god! Why is this guy? Why is this guy sniping, bro?
Yo, I
He
can
started
smoke
running,
your
right? Like he ran
have
to
any, he
clear
doesn't
me,
have
right?
any.
If I wasn't in that corner, he just is a useless round.
And
Yeah, right, bro.
heaven.
Is it B?
You don't like it.
Sorry guys, I have to do this though. It's fucking shameless right now.
I don't know. I don't know anymore. Yep. Oh, wait, no, that's our site smoke. That's our site smoke. Never mind. Never mind.
What the fuck is happening?
I don't know.
I mean, they're like all outside B, I'm pretty sure, or outside A, either one.
Oh yeah, smoke A.
Scanning ahead.
I'm throwing again for you. I'm throwing again for you. Go. Stay in, bro. Let's only get in. Go, get in.
Spawn.
I'm gonna go.
Deploying drone. Enemy mark.
We care for a mid lurk somehow.
all three. All three.
Alright,
And now he's opting, bro. Like
40.
what am I playing against?
Don't be. I can slide on.
Okay. No. Let's go. Stay here. We're good like this, bro. We're literally so golden. It's crazy.
Make Odin bigger.
Adapt or
It's okay.
die!
We're good.
Flashing. Good hit.
Oh my god, this is scary. Nice.
Nice. Damn, that's just got slug rounds in it.
Couple
Coming in.
there.
Coming in.
Alright, it works, I guess.
This one's definitely gonna be it. So I'm playing for the jet. I'm
There.
gonna flash like here where they can't shoot it, and this jet
That's
goes
fine.
to the dash.
I'm just staring into a wall, so they can't fucking see where my teammates are. And now they're just not doing anything nice.
Take flight.
Vice towards the B, bro. What?
Offside the map.
Face your fear!
He went
He's
back
dashing
in.
away. He's dashing
Alright.
away. What? I feel like they're running away. Or B, sorry. I don't know what the fuck is happening.
They might be leaving. I
Smoke
think they're.
B? No, it's not. Please smoke B.
No smoke. In 5, in 5.
Smoke ASAP, please. That's what you smoke.
Oh. Danger. In. Nice.
Nice. There's a gun for you in the spawn.
I don't.
Take flight.
Back like I never left!
Nothing in main. I'm not letting him know where my teammates are, bro.
Right, that's a big kill.
I'll
Yeah,
get
that's
on,
even a bigger kill. That's even a bigger.
Keep going, guys.
Lurked up B first time.
Let's fight for bomb.
I'm waiting for you.
Kill that guy fast.
One meat band. Carry.
Ladder probably. Ladder. Yep, ladder. Nice.
Nice.
Death is cold,
GG.
friend.